Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit an Amazon gift card to your bank account. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon app on your phone and log into your account. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom menu bar. Then, select your account from the menu that appears. Scroll down in your account settings until you see the Amazon Pay section and tap on it. This will open your Amazon Pay dashboard, which is the digital wallet for your Amazon account. On the Amazon Pay home screen, the first thing you need to do is add your gift card balance. Look for an option labeled Add a gift card or Redeem a gift card. Tap on it, carefully enter your gift card's claim code, and confirm to add the funds to your Amazon Pay balance. Now, with the money in your Amazon Pay wallet, you can initiate a transfer. On the Amazon Pay home screen, look for a section called Quick Actions, or scroll through the available services. You need to find and select the option to send money. Within the Send Money menu, you will see different destinations. You must select the option to send money to bank. You may need to scroll horizontally if you don't see it immediately. Tap on to bank. You will now be prompted to enter your bank account details for the first time. This includes your bank's name, your account number, and the routing number. Fill in all the required information accurately. Then, enter the amount you wish to transfer from your Amazon Pay balance and tap Pay Now or Send to initiate the transfer. The funds will be sent from your Amazon Pay balance to your linked bank account. The processing time can vary, typically taking a few business days to appear in your bank account.